1. Hello everyone. Wish you happy in English learning. Let's review the present perfect tense. This tense describes an action that happened at an indefinite time in the past, and an action that was repeated several times in the past. Example: I have worked, we have worked. You have worked, he has worked, etc. Do you know how to do the exercises of the verb in parentheses below? Let's try together. I speak to him about it several times. We finish all our homework. Auntie Herlin visit us many times. Alexander Stubb return my book at last. I am afraid that he lose my car keys. You be in Thailand many times. It rain a lot this year. Corn. Do you know the answers? Let's go. 1. I have spoken to him about it several times. 2. We have finished all our homework. 3. Auntie Herlin has visited us many times. 4. Alexander Stubb has returned my book at last. 5. I am afraid that he has lost my car keys. 6. You have been in Thailand many times. 7. It has rained a lot this year. Happy in learning English.